Hey everyone, welcome back to Uishaper. Today we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We're diving into the world of UI/UX design and highlighting the top 5 most famous designers who have revolutionized the way we interact with technology. Whether you're a design enthusiast or just curious about who shapes the digital experiences we love, this video is for you. So let's get started. Before we jump into our list, let's quickly talk about what UI and UX design actually mean. UI stands for user interface, which involves the look and layout of a product. UX, on the other hand, stands for user experience, focusing on how users interact with and experience a product. Together, UI and UX design create seamless and enjoyable digital experiences. Now, let's meet the designers who are masters of this craft. First on our list is Don Norman. Known as the father of UX, Don Norman coined the term user experience. He's a cognitive scientist and usability engineer whose work has laid the foundation for modern UX practices. His book, The Design of Everyday Things, is a must-read for anyone interested in design. Don's approach emphasizes user-centered design, ensuring that products are both functional and delightful. Next, we have Jakob Nielsen, a usability expert and co-founder of the Nielsen-Norman Group. Often referred to as the king of usability, Nielsen's principles of usability have become standards in the field. His concept of Jakob's Law suggests that users spend most of their time on other websites, so they prefer your site to work the same way as all the other sites they already know. Our third designer is none other than Sir Jony Ive. As the chief design officer at Apple, Jony Ive was the visionary behind iconic products like the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. Ive's minimalist and functional design philosophy has set new standards in the tech industry. His work exemplifies how good design can make technology more accessible and intuitive. Fourth on our list is Julie Zhuo. As a former VP of product design at Facebook, Zhuo played a critical role in shaping the user experience for one of the world's largest social media platforms. Her book, The Making of a Manager, provides insights into the design process and leadership in the tech industry. Last but not least, we have Aaron Walter, known for his work at MailChimp. As the VP of Design Education at Envision, Walter has been pivotal in advocating for emotional design, creating products that not only work well but also create positive emotional responses in users. His book, Designing for Emotion, explores these concepts in depth. Conclusion? And there you have it, the top 5 famous UI/UX designers in the world. These individuals have not only shaped the way we interact with technology, but have also paved the way for future innovations in design. Whether through their groundbreaking products, insightful books, or influential teachings, they've left an indelible mark on the industry. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below and let us know which designer inspires you the most. See you in the next video.